Why do we procrastinate? I don't know. And I'm not asking you, I am just asking a loaded question for all of us, okay? Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. I am super excited for this video. Welcome to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. That feels super good to say. It's been a long minute, you guys. For all of those who follow me on Tiny Tidy Tuesday, it feels great to be back. This open collab is hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn and all of our friends here on the Tiny Tidy Tuesday gang. Each week, Sunday Dawn has new participants from other YouTube channels who participate in this open collab of hers. So if you are interested, then contact Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. I'm going to link the playlist in my description box down below. I'm also excited because I am actually going to join my dear friend here on YouTube, Michelle, over at My Everyday Wife Life. She's doing a 30-day decluttering challenge, and let's face it, I need to hop on on her challenge. She's gonna do 30 days of decluttering, 30 drawers in 30 days. I am going to be downsizing here shortly and from our home, and I have a lot of decluttering to do, and I just felt so overwhelmed like most of all of us do. Maybe this is a way to kind of ease myself back into decluttering. Now in the past I have done 30 days of decluttering, or decluttering in 30 days. It's been a heck of moons ago. That was over on Sophia's collab at My Great Challenge, along with Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life. So we've been decluttering for years, and we're still decluttering. Goes to show you, decluttering is a process. Speaking of process, I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera over here. Start with something that you and I can do together easily, a little bit more, less stress, okay? And then something that you can do along with me at home. So I'm going to be decluttering every single day a drawer in our house. Should I do one drawer in a room? So like I do the kitchen first and I do a bathroom, or should I just kind of mix it all up? I don't know, I'll get back to you on that. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna declutter one kitchen drawer today, and then we'll move on. I chose this one right there. I don't know why I did that that way. Anywho, all right, here we go. Woo! Yeah, look at this baby. We've been doing a lot of cooking. It's Labor Day weekend, so here we go. First things first, what I like to do is I like to take everything out, and then I like to set it over here. So that's what we're gonna do. Music, please. Let there be light. Let there be light. I'm also trying to drink water. I try to put things in like items. I have 2 whisks. Those are gonna stay. These I use for turkey season, which is coming up, y'all. This is for my pumpkin. I do use these. Always a kid at heart, y'all. So it's almost fall. I'm gonna put these in one of these so that I have that separate so it doesn't go all over the place. But there are certain things that I can see. These are part of the old Tupperware. And my mom used to have a bunch of Tupperware, so she would always gift me things like this. So these are actually going to go into another separate little basket, but I do use this a lot. You remember the old orange peeler? I love this thing. Genius! Relocate these ones in here. This is all my like Tupperware stuff. I have not used this. Oh my gosh, I really need to take it out of the package. I use this. This is for a strawberry to take out the core. I need to unpackage that. These, I don't know why I cannot get rid of these. I think, oh, I'll use it for a craft. I'll use it for a craft. I never use it for a craft. So these are gonna go in the garbage. All right, I have these. Who remembers this? This is like, I can't get rid of this. I'm always using this to like puncture cans so I can drain or whatever. So I do like those. I don't need 2 of these, but I do like the fact that this one here has an additional thing to it, I guess. I mean, this one does have that. This one has a little knife part of it, which this one has it too. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and donate this one, but I can definitely keep this one. So that's gonna be donated. I only have 1 of these. My father bought like lots of these, but Jay never uses it, but I still like to keep it because my dad comes over and sometimes he likes to barbecue. So I'm gonna keep that. These are for my water bottle stuff. I like to use that. And this goes to Jay's little thing. This thing, I don't know if you can see this. Break up your ground beef. I'm sure most of you have seen this. This is like on Amazon or everything. I never use this. Jay never uses it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. I don't need that. That one's gonna go. We use these. For someone who doesn't like baking a whole lot, but I do like using these ones because they don't scratch. So I'm gonna keep these. Gosh, I had this one for a long time, but I'm gonna go ahead and donate that one. I'm gonna keep those. I'm gonna keep. I like using that one. This one's a lifesaver. Jay likes to use both of those, so I'm gonna keep those. Have those. These are cute. This needs to go. I need to relocate that. That needs to go in my hutch. Isn't that pretty? That needs to go in my hutch, so I'm going to relocate that. I love my bottle opener here. This one needs to be relocated. These ones, those need to be thrown away. Chip clips, I'm going to keep that. A little wine, aren't those cute? Little Minnie and Mickey, keep those. This gets relocated. That even shouldn't be in this drawer. That gets relocated. This goes relocated, goes down below. Jay has a little thing that goes too. It's really cute for his barbecue thing. So that's gonna be relocated. Actually, I am gonna keep that in there. All right, empty drawer. I'll take this out. This is All Method All-Purpose Cleaner. I like to use the pink grapefruit. I just love how that one smells. And also the apple crisp. Super delicious smelling. We got a nice clean drawer. That should last for another year. I'm just kidding. Not kidding. And then now we're gonna put everything back. How easy was that, right? Just takes, it didn't even take that long. Like less than 10 minutes. Why do we procrastinate? I don't know. And I'm not asking you, I am just asking a loaded question for all of us, okay? I mean, I've been decluttering for a while now. Still decluttering, along with, I see Sophia, she's decluttering. I see Karen from This Made Her Mom, she's also still decluttering. It's a process, you know, it's a process, and we all go through it, we all deal with it. Nothing, place those there. Nothing to be ashamed about at all. My chip clips there. All my pumpkin carving. Excited for that coming up. I have been baking lately, which is very rare for me to do. If you know me, follow me. Don't really do that very often, but hey, I'm enjoying it. So a little bit goes there. You can get some more oranges. And just because I like to keep them right here at all times, all my straws go right there. So there we go, my strawberry thing. Oh, and let me take this out of the box so I can actually use it. Plants are still producing strawberries. We shall see if it works. If it is, it'll be like my new best friend. I've been having a lot of strawberries lately. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there just so I remember the next time I have strawberries. And isn't she lovely? I love it. One drawer down. A view of what I'm getting rid of. This is garbage, okay? This is going to be in the donating pile, most likely another garage sale of mine. And then these are going to be relocated elsewhere. All right, now to the next drawer. We're done here, or in that drawer. Now I can actually start my dishwasher. Always multitasking over here. Just kidding. Let's let that do its thing and let's go upstairs, shall we? Now there are lots of things to declutter. We'll just take it day by day, you know, trying to get back into the groove of things, like everything. Sheets are in the wash to be washed, and here is Emma's nightstand. Oh boy. Well, there we go. Let's pull everything out. Pull everything out here. Don't ask. My husband always likes to be prepared. Not too bad. Clean tissue, because you just don't know, because in the middle of the night, okay, so I like to have tissue just in case, you know, because of, well, let's face it, since my mom passed, Queen G, this used to be on my nightstand all the time, right? And so when she passed, I couldn't handle it. So what did I do? I just stuck it in the drawer just for the time being, you know, until it's time for me to do something with it. And hence, that's why I have tissue next to it, because, well, yeah. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and take this and place it downstairs in her area. That way it's with the camera that's down there, because I really don't need this that I know of right now, and relocate that. And then these tissues, I'm going to just put it back where the Kleenex is, which is just across the room. Jay likes to have, it's so funny. He used to have this always like this, just on my nightstand, like at all times. It's a Caterpillar. It's like really bright. Anyways, this is pretty expensive, and it's pretty heavy. So if I need to use it during the night, I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and keep those in there. I have a notepad just in case, but I just realized I don't have a pen. I have a prayer book just because that's something my mom gave me. And it's funny, sometimes I have to go back to it just so I can remember. These, I've had these in the last couple of decluttering videos, and you know what? Quite frankly, I'm so sorry, Mickey and Minnie. I don't need these lotions. I'm not using it. I thought, hey, if I put it in my drawer, I would use them, but I'm not. So I'm going to go ahead and toss these out. Those are going to be gone. Tums, the one is stuck in there, so that can also be garbage. Don't need those. I have these little ones. If I have these two, why do I need those in there? I'm going to go ahead and put these back to where they belong downstairs. That's going to be relocated. This is my book light, just in case if I like to read, which I do. This is something that is a memory, and I'm going to place that over the Bible. This is a sanitary wipe. I don't know why it's in there, but it is. These are, I don't know what this is. A lucky bean. And look, it's broke. Like, how lucky could this be anymore? So I'm going to go ahead and toss that too. This, I'm going to stick with the Bible. Just appropriate. This is some cream. I don't know about you guys, but when you get older, if I get like a mosquito bite, or even like, I don't know, like any type of bite, it gets into like, almost looks like a ringworm kind of deal. My body just, it just reacts to mosquito bites or spider bites or any type of bite. It doesn't matter. So my doctor had got me this 0.1%. It's like an anti-itch cream, but it's prescription. I have to use this thing. That is gonna look cray-cray. I have some old pictures of me and my dog. Look, that's yours truly. It's gonna keep that along with a Bible that I got on our wedding. That's gonna stay in there, and then my journal, of course, that's gonna stay in there. Alrighty, there we go, a nightstand, and this time I grabbed a pen, so that's gonna be right there. Okay, folks, these are the things that are going to be relocated, and then these are all the things that is gonna be in the garbage. There you go. That didn't take long at all. Really, I hope in some small, tiny way that I gave you some type of motivation to do a tiny tidy today around your home. And if you haven't done already, click on that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and leave me a comment on what you decided to tiny tidy today. Don't forget to check the link down below for the playlist of the other lovely participants in this open collab from Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And if you like to join or like to watch Michelle doing the 30-day decluttering challenge, 30 drawers in 30 days, then go check out her channel at My Everyday Wife Life. I'm gonna continue on decluttering one drawer every day in the month of September, and I'm gonna post it here on my channel as part of the Tiny Tidy. Hope you guys had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Until the next one.